Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, I'd like to show you how to make some blueberry muffins and cranberry muffins from scratch. Okay, give it a thumbs up if you like it, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. It's very, very important that you give it a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know you want the video circulated. That would help. Okay, alright, let's do it. Okay guys, I'm going to be using a Ninja to mix in, and we're going to start off with 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. That's 1 cup and a half cup. Then we're going to use 3/4 cup of sugar. Now I'm using sugar substitute. You can use regular sugar or honey, whichever you prefer. Okay, so 3/4 cup of sugar right here. One-4 teaspoon of salt. Okay. Okay. And baking powder, we're going to use 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Here's my teaspoon, 2.5. One. Two. And a half. Okay. Then we're going to use 1/3 cup of oil. I'm using olive oil. One-third cup of olive oil. You don't have to use olive oil. You can use vegetable oil if you like. Okay. And 1/2 cup of milk. Let me get my half cup measure here. Milk, 1/2 cup. And 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Vanilla extract. One, and I'm going to do half of this. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay. One second. Okay, and the last thing we have to add is 1 egg. Okay. So the recipe again is 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups of sugar. I use substitute sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. 1/3 cup of oil. 1 egg. 1/2 cup of milk. And 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. All right. So now let's mix this up. I'm going to hit mix. Okay. I'm just going to clean the sides. Okay, so my batter, let me show you, is a little thick. You see it's not falling or anything. I would like to thin that out some. Okay, so I'm going to add 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of milk. So to our milk, we're adding, we started out with 1/2 cup of milk. So now we're going to have 1/2 cup and 3 tablespoons of milk. I want this a little thinner. I'm going to hit mix. Oh, that looks better already. Okay, I'm going to take this out and put it in a bowl so I can work with it from there. 1 second. Okay. So here's our muffin mix that we made. Okay. Alright, now I'm just going to, I have some muffin liners here already in the muffin can. So what I'm going to do is, I have a tablespoon so that I can put as little as possible in. So I put 2 tablespoons on the bottom first. Okay, I'm going to do just 4 first to see how that works out. Okay, I have some blueberries here. I had them frozen. I took them out the freezer and left them in the refrigerator, so now they're thawed out. So I'm just going to put some blueberries in the middle of 2. And then this one, these 2, I'm going to do cranberries. This recipe is made for the smaller muffin pans, but I don't have a smaller muffin pan, so I'm using what I have. I'm adding the cranberries next, and I'll show you. So you can see in these 2 pans I have the cranberries, and these 2 I have the blueberries. Now I'm going to put some more muffin mix on the top. Okay, and it looks like I have enough to do 1 more. So we'll end up with 5 of the large muffins. And I think I'll do blueberry. So we're going to have 3 blueberry and 2 cranberry. So I'm going to put the blueberry on the top as well. And then cranberry on the, let me show you what I'm doing so far. So this is the blueberries. I have blueberry on the bottom, and then I have I have batter on the bottom, blueberry, batter, and then blueberry. And then I'm going to put the cranberry on top of these 2. Okay, and more blueberry on the top. I'm just going to clean that up. Okay, that's what we look like. We have 2 cranberry and 3 blueberry. I'm going to bake this in the oven on 350 until when I stick the butter knife in, it comes out clean with nothing on the knife. Okay? Okay, and let me come right back and give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is help yourself. Help yourself. Nobody else is obligated to help you but you. No one else knows what you need but you. And if you fail to help yourself, then it's you who failed yourself. Help yourself. That's the word of the day. All right, we'll be back. Okay, guys, here's our cranberry blueberry muffins. How about that, huh? From scratch. So it's another way where you can make sure that you get your vitamin C. So start incorporating foods and fruits that can help you reach your daily goal of vitamin C. That's very important in this day and time with the sickness that's going around. Okay? Okay, so I'm not going to taste it. It's hot. I'm going to let it cool. But you taste yours. Give it a thumbs up, would you please? Share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. Thanks for hanging around. Bye-bye.